Hello everyone, I'm Miss Sarah and I am so glad that you are joining me today for a story. This week for summer reading, our theme is The Princess and the Pea. If you have read this story before, you will know that there is a big storm close to the beginning of it. Now, I don't know what the weather is like where you are right now, but here for me, there is no rain. So I'm going to need your help to create some. Let us sing together, It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, went to bed with a bump on his head and couldn't get up in the morning. We have a little rain, not enough yet. Let's repeat it. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, went to bed with a bump on his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Better, but I think we still need more. Let's do it one last time. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, went to bed with a bump on his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Excellent. However, one thing we did not create was thunder. There's going to be a point in this story where there's thunder. If you picked up one of our make and take kits for this week, you should have a piece of tin foil already inside your bag. If you didn't, feel free to get one from the kitchen. If you don't have any tin foil, you can always make some thunder yourself by just, drumming your hands against a hard surface. So, we need to practice this. At one point I'm going to say, one stormy night as the rain poured down and the winds howled and the thunder boomed. And when I say, and the thunder boomed, I need you guys to all lift up your piece of tin foil and shake it. That's going to be a nice thunderstorm. Let us practice this together once. One stormy night, as the rain poured down and the winds howled and the thunder boomed. And then stop, because you actually want to hear the rest of the story, I hope. There came a knock at the great castle door. Let's try that one more time. One stormy night, as the rain poured down and the winds howled and the thunder boomed, there came a knock at the great castle door. Excellent. I think we are ready to begin. So get comfortable, have a seat, and let us have the tale of the Princess and the Pea together. Once upon a time, there lived a prince in need of a wife. But he was determined that he would only marry a real princess. Many princesses visited, but none of them were right. None of them were sensitive enough. One stormy night, as the rain poured down and the winds howled and the thunder boomed, there came a knock at the great castle door. A servant opened the door. There, wet and bedraggled, stood a young maiden, begging shelter for the night. "I am a princess," she claimed. Well, we'll see about that, thought the queen, though she said nothing. The queen went into a guest bedroom, and there she laid a single pea in the middle of the bed frame. Having done that, she ordered 20 mattresses piled atop the pea and 20 eider-down beds atop that. Then she ushered the maid into the bedroom to sleep and left her for the night. When morning came, the royal family awaited their guest at breakfast. She entered the room looking far from refreshed. Her eyes had dark circles under them, and she sat uncomfortably in her chair. "How did you sleep?" the queen asked. "Oh, I had the most dreadful night," said the princess. "There was something hard and lumpy beneath me. I couldn't sleep for tossing and turning. I'm black and blue all over." Now they knew she was a real princess, for only a real princess could be that sensitive. And so the prince and the princess got married, and they lived happily ever after. As for the pea, well, I'm told it was put in the museum, and if no one has stolen it, it can still be seen there to this day. The end. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this story, but it's still raining. We didn't stop the rain. We need to do that now. We are going to sing together, "Rain, Rain, Go Away." Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We all want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Let's do it again. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We all want to play. Rain, rain, go away. It's still drizzling a little bit. Let's do it one last time. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We all want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, that's a lot better. So thank you all so much for joining me for Storytime today. If you have not yet come into the library to get a packet, a make and take kit, please feel free to do so. We would love to see you. If you already have one, great. We hope you enjoy the activities, and we hope to see you in the library regardless. Have a good day. Bye.